Tired of dragging photos one by one into OneDrive? Upload an entire folder at once and save hours. If you have a whole folder of pictures from your phone, your camera, or your desktop, you don't need to sit there clicking and dragging each file. There is a much faster way. Here is how it works. Click the button that says Create or Upload. Then choose Folder Upload. Select your folder, and you are done. Simple, right? Let me walk you through it. So to start, you want to go to your OneDrive page. Look at the top of the screen. You should see a button that says Create or Upload. This is a button up near the left side of the toolbar. It is usually blue. Click that. Now, this is the key moment where most people get distracted. They see that button and they think, okay, I need to find a single file. But that is not what we are after here. We want the whole batch. So go ahead and click Create or Upload. Now, next, choose the folder option. When you click that button, a little menu drops down. You will see a few different choices. You might see things like Folder, Word document, Excel, or PowerPoint. But look carefully. There is an option that says Folder Upload. Not just folder, Folder Upload. Click that one. This is the secret weapon. If you click the regular folder option, you will create a new empty folder. That is not what we want. We want to take a folder that already has photos in it and send the whole thing up at once. So click Folder Upload. All right, now select the folder with your photos. This is where your computer will pop open a file picker window. It looks just like when you open a document or save a picture. Navigate to where your photos are stored. Maybe that is your desktop, your pictures folder, or maybe an external drive. Find the folder that has all the photos you want to upload. Click on it once to highlight it, then click the button that says Upload or Select Folder. The exact wording might vary depending on your browser, but the idea is the same. Pick your folder and confirm it. And now, the upload begins. You will see a little progress bar or a spinning circle in the corner of the screen. This might take a moment to process, especially if you have a lot of photos or if they are really high resolution. Hang tight. You do not have to do anything else. The system is handling everything for you. This is the beautiful part. While that is running, you can walk away. You can grab a coffee, or you can start working on something else. All those photos are being copied up to the cloud in one big batch. Once the upload finishes, check that all your photos are there. Go to your OneDrive and find the folder that you just uploaded. It should have the same name as the folder on your computer. Click into it. Take a quick look. Scroll through and make sure everything made it safely. Every photo, every file should be right there, lined up and ready to go. It is a great feeling seeing everything in its place, isn't it? Now, here is a bonus tip. Before you upload, take a moment to organize your folders on your computer. Give them clear names. Something like Vacation 2024 or Project Photos. That way, when they land in OneDrive, everything is already neat and sorted. You do not have to go back later and rename a bunch of stuff. Just a small step that saves you time down the road. This tutorial was created on Double, a platform built for making these kinds of step-by-step guides. And honestly, once you start using this folder upload trick, you will wonder why you ever did it the slow way. It is one of those small changes that makes a huge difference in your day. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy all that extra time you just saved.